Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I am going to show you how you can enable two-finger tap for your right click on your touchpad of Windows 11 or else your Windows 10. This will work in both the windows. So to enable two tap touch on your touchpad, you have to first go to your settings. So below on the Windows icon in the taskbar, you have to right click. Then you have to click on settings. After you click on settings, you have to go to Bluetooth and devices on the left side. Then you will see the settings called touchpad. You can go, you will have to click on touchpad here. After you click on touchpad, here you have to click on the second option here, tabs, in the gestures and interaction. Here you will see there is different tab options of touchpad. You will have to tick mark the second one, tap with two fingers to right click. I have enabled it already, so to enable it in your, you have to tick mark it. I hope this worked in your PC too. Thanks for watching this video.